Hi Lods, magandang hapon. Huling sulyap na ng Eastwood, Libis, Quezon City. Natatransfer na tayo Lods sa Cubao Gateway. Lods. Magandang buhay. Philippines, Eastwood City. We will miss this place. Lods. Punta ng Panyong kabila Lods, Pasig. Ito naman papuntang Cubao. Ayan. Tataas ng building dito. Mga bagong gawa niya Lods. Dito sa Eastwood City. Thank you, Lord, for my 10 years stay in this place. God bless you all. Have a blessed day. Magandang buhay.